Paano ba kung gusto mo lang talagang matuto? Paano kung gusto mo mag-upskill? Pero ayaw mo nang mag-join ng mga internship or OJT or you don't want to put into practice what you've learned. Basically, gusto mo lang na meron kang alam tungkol sa iba't ibang industries, tungkol sa iba't ibang niche, tungkol sa iba't ibang services that you can offer as a freelancer. Pwede ba yon if you join the Top VIP All Access Pass? Kasi tinatanong dito ni Angel Kim, paano kung gusto daw niya na upskill lang talaga, matuto lang, possible na additional client, no internship. So yes, pwede naman. However, just a heads up. Again, we do not use as part of our marketing na i-prepare namin kayo sa clients. There is a possibility because again, lahat ng mentees namin, sila na lang yung hinahire namin do sa VA agency. Sila yung na-prepare sa clients. Ulitin ko lang, hindi na kami ngayon nag-externally hire ng tao because ang pinipare na namin is yung mga nakakumpleto ng training. And when I say nakakumpleto ng training, ito yung mga nakapag-internship at mock interview. Guys, hindi kami nagpo-produce ng certificate nang hindi nakukumpleto yung training. We're very strict when it comes to the process. A lot of our mentees have been asking, pwede po ba tapos ko naman na yung live training, baka pwedeng kunin ko na yung certificate ko. Some people would even say nire-require daw sila ng clients nila. And my response would be, let me know kung sino yung client, I will call them directly and let them know exactly what the program is all about and what have you done so far. I would be more than happy to answer any questions that they have, but we will not give you certificates unless matapos mo sila because let me tell you one thing. Out of 15 years na nag-work ako as freelancer, never akong nahinga ng certificate. I am able to position myself as someone who can help their business without even providing papel-papel because I can actually do the job and I can show them that I can do it. And that's what's more important. Now, if you guys are interested in joining the Top VIP All Access Pass, ito lang yung i-click nyo sa profile ko. It will then open the Gig Hub. Guys, the Gig Hub will have everything that you need to learn how to start working from home. Under Live Mentorship Class, makikita nyo 1999 Top VIP All Access Pass. I-click nyo lang yan. Kung nasa Instagram kayo, ito yung i-click nyo. In case na hindi gumagana yung TikTok at Instagram, punta lang kayo sa Facebook ko. Pagkatapos hanapin nyo itong video na to or check yung mga nakapost doon, makikita nyo na yung link sa mismong form. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, hanapin nyo lang sa description box. Ang Top VIP All Access Pass ay 1 year, 1 fee lang ang babayaran nyo which is 1,999 pesos. Sa fee na to, kasama na kayo sa lahat ng live sessions. But before you can join the live session, mag-onboarding muna kayo. Fully guided naman siya. Kaya lang, enrollment pa lang, talagang medyo mai-stretch na yung brain cells ninyo. Kailangan marunong na kayo sumunod sa instructions because this is not your typical VA training program. Hope this helps. Comment and questions you guys have about working from home, follow for more work from home chismis, and I'll see you at the classroom. Bye!